The delegation won't be examining Israeli settlements. They won't be investigating or examining alleged war crimes. The delegation is purely coming to explain to Israeli officials and the Israeli public what the ICC, the International Criminal Court, is and what it does. It's got absolutely nothing to do with any claims against Israel which have been presented to the court by the Palestinians. The opposite, in fact, is the case. Israel rejects completely any jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court with respect to the territories and any status within the International Court of the Palestinians. So this is purely a visit which is called in Hebrew hasbara, explanation, briefing officials, and perhaps learning something about Israel's legal system. I would say that the reporting in the Jerusalem Post that the delegation is coming to examine Israel's settlement enterprise is totally and utterly misleading, wrong, and has no basis. The question whether the ICC has or doesn't have jurisdiction on these issues is still open. It's never been determined by the court whether they have jurisdiction. It's been a political decision by the prosecutor to open a preliminary inquiry, but the judges of the International Criminal Court have not yet given their legal opinion as to whether the court has jurisdiction with respect to Palestinian claims. In my opinion, as somebody who's been part of the drafting of the statute of the court and a member of Israel's delegation to the Rome conference that adopted the statute, in my opinion, because the Palestinians aren't a state, they can't become party to the statute, and therefore they can't institute any complaints or prosecutions.